somebody has parked their Key West up on the rocks. How does that even happen? That's a nice boat too, man. Good grief. Wow. What do you think, Marcus?
Oh, woo, it's kind of brisk. It's kind of brisk out here this morning.
That is one beautiful sunrise though. Holy smokes.
All right, we saw a little show of fish. Logan whipped out the slow pitch setup. Don't know what we're dealing with. It's a little breezy out here this morning, a little rougher than we had hoped. Well, triggers are open.
Might be a small trigger.
Triggers are open. Take a trigger. I see red. That might be a legal snapper. Net him. That's a legal red snapper, dude. Heck yeah! Woo-hoo. Good job, Logan.
We were just running along, folks, heading offshore, and I saw a show of bait.
This is what we're looking for on the machine. I saw that, and I looped back around on my plotter, and Logan made one drop. That looks like a legal American red snapper on the slow pitch setup. Look at this, Logan got two at one time, man. Got hooks on the front, hooks in back, double on the American reds.
Those are not going to be big enough to keep, but that's pretty cool to get two.
That's the third time that's ever happened.
Man, that's awesome.
All right, we're going to let those guys go, but we actually did get another
Legal snapper. We got two in the box.
We're on our first fish on the trolling setup today.
Little white cappy out there, but it's doable. Logan said it feels heavy and it's not real zippy. You need the cush?
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah. There we go, man, on the Speedmaster 25. We got something on, man. He's acting heavy. There we go, folks. If you haven't ever seen one of those, that is a lifesaver. It's a little lumpy out there, but that keeps that end of that rod from digging into your hip. Showing some big X-Wraps today. Them X-Wrap Magnums. It's a 30, a 40 foot depth. I don't know what we are dealing with, but I'm happy we got a fish on the troll. We just ran over a wreck or a spot, a number. See deep color down there, y'all. I don't know if you can see it. That water is beautiful. It's long. It's big. Stay up there. It might be a big OAJ. I don't know what it is.
Looks like an amberjack.
Big OAJ, Logan.
Holy crap! Oh,
It's a big
that's a big one!
Oh my God, that's
Get
a big
him.
one. I'm gonna try. I thought that might be what we're dealing
Good
with.
grief.
I'm gonna try to get him in the jaw and then just get him over the side.
I'm trying to help you.
Yeah, just tire him out. Let's try to just get him over the gunnel there. Shut Marcus back up. Be careful. That's a big one. Wow. Back away from that big old hook, man. That's a big one. That's a big one. We gotta get a picture and a video of that.
Man, that thing is huge.
That's a big one. That's not a little AJ. And y'all, what I did, I gapped him under the chin there, but that allows me to get this fish in a boat, get control. Too big to get in the landing net and too dangerous to reach over the side. If you were to get a hook in your hand while it's connected to that fish, that's a very dangerous scenario. So I'm gonna give him a little CPR, revive him. He's way longer than the board. How long is the board? 40?
That's like 47.
40, we might as well call 48. That's a 4 foot long fish. Oh, a little bit more, dude. Oh my God, dude, he's a beast. I can't even get him all in the picture. Come a little closer, Logan. A little closer, a little closer, a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. Let me turn his head this way a little bit. Holy crap, that's a beast, man. All right, dude, we're gonna do a head first release. Here you go, Marcus.
Ready?
We're gonna go head first. 1, 2, 3. Yo, he's gone. Woo! Dude, fish bump. Let's show the folks what we caught that fish on there, Logan. I'm gonna wind that one in, man. That was on, that's a flying fish, 30 foot diving Magnum. Whoa, Mark, what did Mark catch?
I tried to pick him up and he stuck to me.
What is that, man? That's a little shark sucker. A lot of people have never seen those. Got a disc on their head. They can stick to your skin, boats, sharks. You wanna let him go, Logan? Or Mark? There you go, man. He should let go of you when you hit the water.
Come on. There he goes.
What's happening, bro?
I don't know, I got something on the other side.
He's got something.
He got, oh!
You think I'll loosen the drag a little?
No, do not loosen the drag.
Oh my God.
Do not, walk this way, man. Walk this way if you can. Get him with.
I'm trying.
Reel down and lift. That's a decent fish. Reel down and lift.
I'm gonna do like Logan.
Whee! Oh, that's a big old twin power, Shimano twin power on a. Oh, is that a St. Croix Mojo Inshore, Logan? I believe. And I think Mark's got little squid tricks on there. Mark calls them Squidwards. Come on, man. Let's see if you can land this thing.
Ooh, boy. Ooh, he don't want to play.
Who's got who?
No.
Come on, bro. Man, this is good stuff.
Oh, damn.
Good stuff. Anytime you come out here with the family, get to do this, man. Logan got a monster AJ. This is acting like another AJ. I don't know if it's as big as Logan's, but I see color.
I don't think it is, but
I see color.
Oh, it looks like a nice 8 following.
There's another one following it. Look, a big AJ following that one. Oh, all right, don't reel any further. Yo.
dang, they pull hard.
Look at there, man. Ate him up. Pink squid tricks. They pull hard, don't they, Mark?
Yeah, they do.
Man, pound for pound, dude. They are brutal.
Pull straight.
That's a pretty
Straight
fish.
down.
Mark's gonna try to get another one.
Let's see here. Mark's gonna do the release.
There you go.
AJ season's closed. Here we go,
1, 2, 3.
man. Yo, give him a head first. They will. He gone.
It looks kind of rude to give them that little head first burst, but these high-speed fish like it.
Good job, brother. Man, that was on the Shimano Twin Power Mojo Inshore 110 Squid Tricks.
That's all good stuff. Mark, he calls them Squidwards. That's his go-to. It's his go-to bait. He always catches something on it.
Logan's doing some jigging over there on the new rig. Is that the Accurate Valiant?
600.
600. Sweet,
I mean,
man.
I see some pretty big AJs down
Yeah,
there.
there's some big AJs down there. Let's see if we can get us one.
We have made it a little further offshore. High-speed trolling at this point. We got some big vibes, like some nomad vibes. Believe it or not, we are actually trolling at 14, 15, 16 miles per hour. Kind of dependent. It's a little bit of a swell out here, but the white caps have laid down. Can cover a little ground. We're trolling some depth contours here. But yep, 16 miles per hour, 15 miles per hour. We're trolling a 4-rod spread. Waiting for that wahoo bite, what we're really looking for. All right, we got one on there, folks. We missed the bite. What is that? That is the world's smallest bonita. A bonita. Get him in the boat. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of the lure, folks. And the size of the fish. Wow, that's crazy. I don't know what's going on there. That's a big wahoo plug. That's like wahoo food right there. Oh man, that's funny. Little toonie or false albacore, bonita. They're gorgeous little fish. I think bonita means pretty or beautiful in Spanish. You folks out there that speak Spanish, y'all tell me if that's accurate or not. But he ate a dorado, mahi colored bonita, Yozuri bonita. And that's what we're pulling. Actually, we missed a little while ago, folks. Sorry about that, but we actually did have a wahoo bite. You can see the teeth marks. We took a chunk out of the flying fish bonita. These are kind of tried and true, the purple and black. No bites on that today. And then the orange and black is another one that's kind of known to produce. But the conditions have finally laid out and got pretty out here. We have been trolling. We've covered some serious ground today, but we're not done yet. You still barely on the horizon. You can see the tallest condo way off there. So we're still quite a ways offshore and the sun is getting low. Oh, Marky Mark, he's had a long day. We're gonna reset our gear. We're gonna be trolling these jokers. You control these things up to 15 miles an hour, maybe even a little bit faster. And that is a wahoo and a mackerel, bonita. They'll catch a little bit of everything, but they are a high speed one. But the flying fish has been the color today. We are on our way in. We took it to the end of the day. For the most part, we're still a couple miles offshore, but losing light rapidly. The Buskin's 29 making tracks. It's been an awesome day. Got We did not get a wahoo today, but Logan got that huge AJ, a few nice red snapper, a couple small bonita. Hope y'all enjoyed this episode. If you did, please remember to hit like, subscribe, comment, share, tell a friend. Captain Joe, Island Marine Charters, my brother, Marky Mark, my son, Logan. We'll catch you in the next episode.